So all you MBA aspirants, MBA students and aspiring business leaders of tomorrow, I'm starting a new series on my YouTube channel to help you learn the language Python. Now, Python becomes a very important language in this day and age because that is one language which will find its application in a lot of industries, in a lot of use cases. And if you know this language, you will not only be able to do marketing analytics, but you will also be far ahead in your pursuit to learn digital skills. Hi, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur, and let's get on with the video. Now, you would have heard me speak about this one thing a lot, that you as MBAs, you as future business leaders need to acquire digital skills, and learning this language is one big step for you to do. Why do you need to learn marketing analytics, you would ask? The very important thing is that when you learn a skill which is new age, firstly, you would be ahead of your peers because not everyone is investing their time in learning new skills. They are probably not even aware of this, that they need to do it. I did a survey wherein I had surveyed MBA aspirants, MBA students and those who had graduated from MBA, and what I found out in that survey was this, that the MBA graduates, for them, the biggest problem areas is to learn how to do analytics, how to solve real world business problems using analytics. While the MBA aspirants and the MBA students, they were only interested to know that how to analyze cases, how to do well for the placement, so on and so forth. So I want you to be futuristic. I want you to learn this language so that not only you can be ahead, but while learning this, you will also be able to create certain projects for yourself because you'll be solving toy examples, you will be solving cases, and by the end of it, you will be building a body of work for yourself. Now, in this series, my objective is to handhold you. I will start off by explaining you that what all do you need to install on your laptop for you to start off to learn this, and then step by step, we will solve a lot of toy examples, after which we will also start to solve certain cases using Python, and a lot of these you will observe are from the field of marketing. So by the end of this series, you will have a good idea of how do you apply analytics, how can you do very sophisticated things using this digital skill of learning Python. Also, one very important thing, I would want you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now, because you will forget this. You will watch this video, you will feel excited about it, you'll feel enthusiastic about it, but you'll forget it. But if you subscribe and if you turn on your notifications, you will not forget about it, because whenever I'll upload a new video, you will have it. And if you like this, please like the video for sure, because it should reach a lot of MBA students who really want to acquire this skill. One thing which I would like to insist on is that whenever you are watching this entire playlist, you should have a notebook with you wherein you will note down all the important things, and also as and when I will be helping you solve certain toy examples or certain cases, you need to solve it side by side. That is why I have made this really interactive, wherein you can ask me a lot of things in the comments and I will get back to you shortly so that you can smoothly sail ahead in your journey to learn Python. Now, you would also ask that what is going to be the frequency of the videos in this playlist. I would be uploading one video every other week. I don't want you to rush through it, because when I was an MBA student, I had enrolled for an online course and it was a 36-hour program, and I was so excited about it. I was so enthusiastic about completing the course, not really acquiring the skill, but just completing the course, that I completed it over a weekend. But the problem was I skipped all exercises and I skipped everything which I should have stayed on there, and I should have practiced it. Therefore, this would not be quick. You will be having one video every other day. I want you to absorb it, and I can assure you that this is going to be a very impactful journey for you if you're an MBA student who wants to learn this language of Python. And you will be able to find the entire playlist on my website, which is superheuristics.com. You should go into the videos category, and there I will be soon uploading all of these as a playlist. So if you need to attempt it as a course, which I think you should for sure go to the website and start following that particular page. So I'll see you in the next video, the first video of this series, wherein I'll be helping you in understanding that what all do you need to install on your laptop for you to start off this journey to program, to code in this language, so that you can be great, you can have an additional skill, so that when you walk into the placements, this is going to be a skill which will stand out. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.